startups don't fall from the lack of passion. They fail due to the lack of visibility. In today's digital world, if your business is not online, then it's invisible. Digital marketing is not just optional, it's the backbone of your business. From SEO, social media to video, email, and influencer marketing, every step that you implement builds your brand and boosts your growth when done right. At 360 Digital Idea, we do not just offer services, we build scalable strategies that will bring in real startup success. Whether it's traffic, leads, or conversion, we are here to deliver measurable results. So, if you are ready to elevate your digital game, then click on the link given below, book your free consultation, and let's build a brand that scales.